Hello guys, good morning. I'm out here. I'm gonna go look around my garden. We had a thunderstorm the other night. Well, last night I meant, and a lot of my plants are kind of laying down. So we're gonna go check them out, guys. And today is Friday, August the 25th, and it's about 7:30 in the morning. And it's 83 degrees Fahrenheit already. It's pretty warm today. Warm and humid, guys. Yeah, it's still early and it gets worse later on. So let's go over here and check out some of the plants. See, a lot of them banana peppers plants are laying down on the ground. Actually, it's kind of heavy on the top because there's a lot of fruits. See, guys, a lot of them. They're big. Look at this, guys. See this one right there? That's really big one there. Oops. And it's kind of heavy on the top because you got so many fruits. Look at this, guys. It's just loaded, guys. Yeah, so much banana peppers. Look at all, my goodness. So a lot of them are laying down. Yeah, the wind gust was probably about 40 miles per hour. Yeah, that's a little bit too strong for the plants. Especially all that fruits right there. Look at all that, guys. Look at this big eggplant right here. I gotta put something on the underneath that so it won't rot. I'm gonna use that one for my seeds next year. So I got me a tree bark here. I'm gonna put underneath on the eggplant there. Because when they lay on the ground, they'll rot, you know. And you're gonna be my seeds for next year eggplant. Well, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard when you hold the camera and work on this thing. Oh man. Yeah. There we go. There we go, big eggplant. Oh my gosh, you're a giant. This thing is a giant, guys. There. That should fix you a little bit. There's another big one here. Oh, that one got a... Oh, that's okay. This is be one of my seeds, guys. See, I got that tree bark underneath that one. See, guys, they get kind of hanging on the ground because they're so heavy. So I got plenty of seeds for next year here, and there's another one. Oh, I didn't see that one. I gotta go get this thing can be, there's a lot in here, guys, that I need to be picking. They needs to be picked. Yeah, that one there is ready to be picked. There are so many here, guys. And look at this Thailand hot peppers. They're right here. They're kind of purple. Maybe the sun is doing it. See right there, guys? I think the sun is doing that because the other side is not. See? Yeah, they turned purple from the sun. Maybe got burned a little bit. But guys, they got so many here too. Hot peppers and banana peppers. These banana peppers, look at that. A lot of banana peppers here. Oh my goodness. That's the reason they kind of laying on the ground when we had that wind that was like 40 miles gust wind. Yeah. See guys, this thing here is a big one. Yeah, I like them. They're good for like appetizer, you know. So I got a big better melon here. I'm gonna pick this one. This is for my breakfast. There. That's a big one, guys. Now let's go find some more here. And that one there is still it needs a little bit more to grow. Oh, there's one beside it. They're hard to find. Actually, there's a lot here. Looks like I only need one big one here. I only found one big one. Those others, that one here, that's probably another week or two. Still too small. And this one here is a big one. That's plenty enough for my breakfast. Scrambled eggs and better melon. Oh yeah, guys, and put a little bit onions in there. Yep. Oh, there's another one there. So I'm gonna have a lot here next week or two. And there's a bee right there. See that, guys? The bee is pollinating the flowers. Good job, bees. Yeah, there is a lot I need to get. I need to pick them today. Maybe tomorrow when it cools down. I don't like to be out here when it's really hot. But I definitely have to pick them because, yeah, because they're ready. They're ready to come down. Yeah, guys. The potatoes right there, guys, are very thick. About a month or two, they'll be ready to be harvested. We have to start digging them. I think the vines will kind of die when they're ready to be harvested. Yeah. So there's a lot of potato tops here that you can really use for cooking, but I got so many vegetables here. So I have two lemongrass here, two plants, still a baby, and I got them from there's another one. I just planted them the other day and they were kind of almost dead. And there was when I went to the store, they have a lot of plants, it say free, all kinds of plants. So I grabbed me this lemongrass. And I said, maybe they will survive if I put them on the ground. And what the heck, they were free, you know. So it looks like it's doing pretty good because there's like a baby leaves growing there. So that's doing pretty good. So I'm gonna have me my own lemongrass, guys, because lemongrass here, I might have to dig them out when they start getting cold. Dig them out, put in the pot. When it gets cold, they cannot survive in the cold weather. You know, they're tropical plants. Oh my goodness, beside that one, guys, look at that. Oh Lord, look at that. Look at this hot peppers. Thailand hot peppers. These just go wild, man. Look at that. You know, I didn't really actually plan it well. I had some in my freezer last year. Then I put them in the ground and they start sprouting. Yeah, and then this is it right here. This is the result of the seeds that came from the freezer. Yeah, it don't really take that much time to plant something, you know? Well, I always like to plant something. I like watching plants grow and I like to harvest them, you know. Feel like I have my own vegetables, you know. Yeah, I could not believe this lemongrass right here. Oh, wow. It's really doing good. I thought they were completely dead. Yeah, there's another one. You know, when they're free, you know, you just take your chance. You don't lose anything, you know. Free, yeah. Free plants, yes. And this is manuvella flowers here. They're going wild too. Yeah, I just leave him here outside. But when it gets cold, they have to be inside. Look at all that flowers. These are these are actually my inside plants. I just put them outside in the summertime because I like flowers inside the house. You know, real flowers like that one there. And I got some pink one here, pink manuvella. Oh, I better don't forget this big melon here. Let's go take this inside, guys. I guess I'm gonna go inside now. This is what I do, guys. Early in the morning, I'll be out here looking my plants. My husband really likes this melon. He said we're gonna plant a lot next year. But the bad thing about this melon is you gotta have a trellis. And sometimes, you know, when it's wind, there's a lot of wind, the trellis will fell down or laying down on the ground. Well, this one here, we stake it out with the bar. Yeah, they look pretty healthy, aren't they? There's still a lot of flowers here. Look at all these little ones. See the little ones there? I'm hoping they'll make it before it gets cold. Yeah, right there. And I only seen one bee here. It's pretty busy working on this, pollinating all these flowers. There's a lot of flowers there. But he's really doing a good job doing pollinating all this. It's a lot of hot peppers, guys. You know, when it rained, see, it rained yesterday. That's when we had that thunderstorm. They go crazy. Vegetable plants will go crazy. Any plants will go crazy when they have that rain. Yes. Look at all that. All right, guys, it's getting a little bit warm and I need some water. It's getting a little warm and we're gonna go inside before I sweat here. It's a lot cooler inside, guys. So that's all for now, and thank you much for watching. Please take care of yourself and each other, and I hope to see you soon on the next video. Yeah, guys, so bye for now.